Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Today we're going to be unboxing our economic class UNV Wi-Fi security cameras. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video of the UNV Economic Security Camera series. Over here we have ourselves an Ultra 265 video surveillance kit. And this time, this one includes four 4-megapixel IP cameras, a 4K NVR, 1 terabyte of storage, and this is good. This is an easy plug-in and play and good for indoor and outdoor usage. This also includes night vision support, along with the other features included here: intrusion detection, cloud upgrade service, peer-to-peer cloud service, long-range PoE, so that means a long range of camera channels, IP67 weather resistance, and a smart IR light. Over here, we rotate the box. You can see the model number, which is EK-S31P4T44T1-V2. The model number will be included in the description. And this also shows that you are able to use the free EasyView app in order to view it from either your smartphone or view it on your tablet. As we look over here, the box design from UNV looks pretty professional. I really am impressed with how they were able to put this all into a very nice, compact, yet very versatile box. We go over here and open up the box. Just gonna get that open right here. We get the following contents. We are greeted with foam. And over here we have the HDMI cable and the Ethernet cable. Let's put that to the side. You have your NVR computer system. You have the security cameras. Place that to the side. And as we see here, this is a very, very simple yet very, very big box with a lot of contents and features that you can use for your security system. This is very good for homeowners and residences, and also good for installers. We have different prices for both for both parties, so feel free to contact us via the information below in the description. As we go over here and open up the NVR, we're going to get the following contents out of the box. As you see, this also is a separate package on its own. Over here you have your complimentary mouse, power bank, AC cable, your quick start guide and the packaging list, and the NVR itself. Look how well protected and packaged this is. This NVR includes the RJ45 Ethernet port, so you can hook it up to your router. It includes 4 PoE ports, so you can hook it up to 4 security cameras, which is all these 4. You have 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI and VGA cable support. You have audio output, and the AC cable port, so you can power this up and get this up and running. You'll be able to display it on your on your monitor, and at the same time be able to program all the cameras into your home security system. We go over here and open up one of the cameras. We get the following. We get your quick start guide, drill template, waterproof joints, screws and bolts, and the camera itself. Let's pull that out of its plastic packaging. And as we see here, guys, this is a very nice, well, high-grade design camera. This includes the 4 megapixel lens here, along with the IR light and night vision feature built within. This has the SD card support, along with being able to reset your configuration in case something goes wrong along in the setup process. Audio and peer-to-peer communication is built within the camera, along with these 2 I/O ports, your RJ45 connection, which you hook up to the NVR, and the power cable itself. If you have any questions in regards to pricing or features of this camera, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.TechSecurityUSA.com. I'm Tufik, and I'm signing off.